Pi Network is preparing to cross one of the most significant milestones in its history. The final Protocol 23 upgrade is scheduled to activate on May 18, converting Pi from a basic mainnet into a programmable Layer 1 blockchain with native smart contract and dApp support. The upgrade has been confirmed by the Pi core team. The move follows a sequenced upgrade cycle. According to CoinMarketCap, V230 is the culmination of earlier updates, including V212 on April 6 and V221 on April 22, each building toward full Web3 readiness. Protocol 23 introduces native support for smart contracts, decentralized applications, and tokenization, transitioning the network from a basic blockchain into a programmable platform capable of supporting DeFi and complex dApps. No deadline extended to May 19 to keep validators properly synced ahead of the hard fork. The Pi core team pushed the mandatory node upgrade deadline from May 15 to May 19. The extension gives the network's node operators additional time to complete the transition without risking disconnection. CoinMarketCap describes the V230 package as a foundational improvement in performance, security, and readiness for Web3 functionality. The upgrade also lays the groundwork for Testnet 2 and a future Pi DEX platform. Further protocol upgrades are already on the calendar. Version 24.1 is slated for completion by May 25, and version 25.1 by June 8, each adding incremental improvements to node stability and network throughput. Pi App Studio opens up. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. To AI-built apps alongside the Protocol 23 push, Pi Network has updated Pi App Studio to lower the barrier for app creation significantly. Per the official Pi Network blog, creators can now build apps using external AI tools, including Codex, Claude Code, Replit, Cursor, and Lovable, and then use Pi App Studio to deploy them. This change is expected to accelerate the development of new applications on the Pi Network. The integration of AI tools into Pi App Studio is a strategic move to attract more developers and increase the number of dApps available on the platform. The new tools allow for faster prototyping and deployment of applications, which could lead to increased user adoption and network activity. The activation of Protocol 23 is a significant step for Pi Network as it moves toward becoming a fully functional Web3 platform. The introduction of smart contracts and dApp support opens up new possibilities for developers and users alike. It also positions Pi Network as a competitive player in the blockchain space, particularly in the DeFi and dApp sectors. However, the success of the upgrade will depend on how well the network's infrastructure can handle the increased complexity and demand. The Pi core team has acknowledged the challenges and has scheduled additional upgrades to ensure the network remains stable and scalable. The next signal to watch is the activation of Protocol 23 on May 18 and the subsequent performance of the network in the following weeks. Observers will be looking for signs of increased activity, such as the launch of new dApps, higher transaction volumes, and broader adoption of Pi as a utility token. The Pi DEX platform and Testnet 2 are also expected to be key indicators of the network's progress toward full Web3 readiness. The timeline for these developments will be crucial in determining whether Pi Network can maintain momentum and attract a larger user base. The Pi App Studio update is another area of interest, as it could lead to a surge in new applications being developed on the platform. The integration of AI tools is a novel approach that could set Pi Network. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Apart from other blockchain projects, if successful, it could become a model for how AI can be used to accelerate blockchain development and adoption. The broader implications of Protocol 23 are still unfolding, but the immediate impact will be felt by node operators, developers, and users who are preparing for the transition. The Pi core team has provided a clear roadmap of upcoming upgrades, which gives stakeholders a sense of direction and stability. As the network moves forward, the focus will shift to execution and how well the new features are adopted by the community. The success of Protocol 23 will be measured not just by technical performance, but also by the level of engagement and innovation that follows.